Hey guys, this is Hunter from Vapor Honing Technologies, and we are taking a look at the Vapor Hone 650 Benchtop. This is an industrial machine meant to last you a lifetime. This machine has a top-load door that saves a bunch of space rather than a door that swings out to the right, so if space is an issue, this machine will solve it. It also has LED strip lighting for better, more clear-cut directional light and visibility. There is a foot pedal for an easy blast gun operation. This machine is full stainless steel and will need a 1/4 inch air fitting. Another cool detail about this machine is that it is neither open nor closed loop. This machine is simply self-contained, so all you have to do is fill the hopper with water, media, and connect your air, and you are ready to blast. There are 2 ball valves on the machine as well. The bottom ball valve is for easy draining of the entire machine, or if your water gets dirty, the top ball valve is to drain just water so you can refill it with a clean supply. Electricity requirements include a 20 amp breaker to run the machine, and you can get it in a 110 volt or 220 volt power supply. Air requirements include 15 to 20 CFM as well. Along with the machine, you also get full product support, an industry-leading lifetime warranty, and a no depreciation upgrade guarantee. For more information on the Vapor Hone 650 Benchtop, please follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or give me a call at 828-202-5563, extension 102.